Hello, I'm Dongwon Choo. I'm PhD student at Busan National University. Today I'm going to talk about an Allele, a Allele-specific recombined single guide RNA designed for reduced off-target with computational profiling. Allele-specific genome editing by CRISPR-Cas9 system is crucial for realizing the precise therapeutic treatment for inherited dominant disease. For researchers studying CRISPR-Cas9 system, the off-target is an important problem in designing the guide RNA. The best condition is that the guide RNA has one perfect match site and not one or two mismatched sites. That is 1, 0, 0. But it is difficult to find the 1, 0, 0 condition in some sequences. We suggest using a mispaired guide RNA with an 0, 1, 0 condition, rather than an original guide RNA of the 1, 0, whatever condition. The mispaired guide RNA has fewer candidate cleavage sites than the original guide RNA, and its one mismatch site is target. Therefore, the one mispaired guide RNA we suggest is expected to have more precise targeting. Now, introduce the Allele workflow. First, we generate mispaired guide RNAs with the wild type target by one nucleotide, figure A. Using the Cas finder, it is a tool that finds off-target or cleavage sites. We search all cleavage sites for the input guide RNA, figure B. By analyzing candidate cleavage sites, in other words CCS, we generate CCS statistics for its mispaired guide RNA, as figure C. In figure D, we recommend sequences with advanced NCS. It is 1 by calculating the similarity between CCS statistics and 010 condition using normalized cleavage score. In other words, NCS. To compare the mispaired guide RNAs, we use the Manhattan distance to measure the similarity between the guide RNA's CCS statistics and hypothetically optimal CCS statistics. In other words, HOX. HOX has a 01000 condition, and a normalized cleavage score NCS indicate the relative closeness of the input guide RNA and HOX. This table shows why we do not use ascending sort and Euclidean distance. Ascending sort does not reflect the decrease in the three mismatches cleavage sites of the second mispaired guide RNA. When we use a Euclidean distance, the second mispaired guide RNA is overestimated compared to the other mispaired guide RNAs. So instead, we use the Manhattan distance to compensate for these two methods' shortcomings. We measured the similarity using the Manhattan distance and normalized it so that the NCS of HOX becomes 1 and the input guide RNA is 0, which can be expressed in the table. We provide Allele as a web tool using the Django, its Python framework. Allele is configured so that user can check and download information with an interactive UI. We plan to deploy Allele as a Docker container to easily install Allele and pre-installed programs, for example, Cas finder. In summary, we suggest one mispaired guide RNA rather than a normal guide RNA of 1, 0, whatever condition. The mispaired guide RNA has fewer candidate cleavage sites. Arrow is provided as a web tool and deployed as Docker container. Thank you for listening.